Okay, so I just taken the rice out of the oven, and here it is. That's it. It's got to cool, and I'm making a little bit of a mac and cheese for the kids because I know they ain't gonna like the rice. But I will do another part after I pause this, and I will get some on the plate, and I will try it. Okay, I got it on the plate. It's going to be a little bit hot. I did a cut up of my chicken. I got some rice. Oh, it's hot. I'm going to burn in my mouth. I'm just going to run there to the dog. Woof, woof. Okay. Taste test. Not too bad. Actually, pretty good. I'm not going to say 6.5 to a 7 out of a 10, maybe. Let me try one more bite. I think I got a piece of the chicken fat instead of the regular chicken. Look at how hot. You cannot go outside yet. Tristan's grooming a dog downstairs. You gotta wait. We're okay. That turns it into an 8. It's not bad. Catch you next time on Grammy's cooking again. And then maybe Grammy will take a trip and get out of this madhouse and go somewhere to do something fun. Bye-bye.